Hello. This video is about the service monitoring tool developed by V3IT Consulting Incorporation. V3IT's sermon helps organizations monitor their business processes which run as services on the various systems. Sermon is centralized service monitoring tool that provides simple and easy to use tool for administrator to keep close watch on various services running in the system. Service monitoring tool monitors services running on external servers to make sure they are functional at all times. Log on to the Fury Launchpad and click on the Service Monitoring Tool tile. We can see a list of systems whose services are to be monitored. Click on Add System button to add new system. Enter System ID, TCP/IP/RFC connection name and select the operating system. Click on Save button to save the system. The system has been added and shown in the list. The All Services tab displays all system services along with their status. To save services for monitoring, select the services from the list and click on the Save Services button. The saved services will be displayed in Configurations and Monitored Services tabs. Click on Configurations tab. This tab displays the service name, service status, that is whether the service is running or stopped, and service authorization status. Service authorization status provides information on whether the user is authorized to start or stop the service using this tool. To exclude services from monitoring, select the services from the list and click on Delete Services. Click on Delete button. After deletion, the services will be removed from Configurations and Monitored Services tabs. For Windows systems, to provide authorizations to start or stop a service, select the services with authorization status as unauthorized from the list and click on Configure Authorizations button. A pop-up window appears which explains the steps to be performed to provide authorizations. Log into the operating system of the selected system. Go to the path specified in the pop-up window. Right-click on permissions.bat file and select Run as Administrator. Now click on the OK button on the pop-up window. A notification mail is sent to the administrator when a user requests authorization. This mail contains the username who requested authorization, the list of services for which authorization is requested, and steps to be performed to provide authorization. After performing the steps mentioned in pop-up window successfully, the status of selected services will be changed from unauthorized to authorized. For Linux systems, to provide authorizations to start or stop a service, click on Configure Authorizations button. A pop-up window appears which explains the steps to be performed to provide authorizations. Log in as root to the operating system of the selected system. Enter vi sudo command. Press Enter to continue. It opens sudo rs file. To edit this file, press I. Modify the sudo rs file as specified in the pop-up window. Save the changes. Now click on the OK button on the pop-up window. A notification mail is sent to the administrator when a user requests authorization. This mail contains the username who requested authorization and steps to be performed to provide authorization. After performing the steps mentioned in pop-up window successfully, the status of selected services will be changed from unauthorized to authorized. To start or stop a service, click on Monitored Services tab. To stop services, select the services with status running and click on Stop Service button. The services will be stopped and their status will be changed from running to stopped. To start services, select the services with status stopped and click on Start Service button. The services will be started and their status will be changed from stop to running. For Windows systems, to revoke authorizations to start or stop a service, select the services with authorization status as authorized from the list and click on the Configure Authorizations button. A pop-up window appears which explains the steps to be performed to revoke authorizations. Log into the operating system of the selected system. Go to the path specified in the pop-up window. Right-click on revoke_perm.bat file and select Run as Administrator. Now click on OK button on the pop-up window. A notification mail is sent to the administrator when a user requests to revoke authorization. This mail contains the username who requested to revoke authorization, the list of services for which authorization should be revoked and steps to be performed to revoke authorization. After performing the steps mentioned in pop-up window successfully, the status of selected services will be changed from authorized to unauthorized. The Scheduling tab allows setting the system services check interval time and notification interval time. We can enable or disable sending of notification to recipients. Select the time intervals and click on Save Schedule button to save time intervals for the system. The Notification tab displays a list of recipients maintained to send notification when services are stopped. Click on Add Recipient button to add new recipient. Select the recipient type. Enter the recipient based on recipient type and click on Save button to add new recipient. Let's add another recipient. To delete recipients, click on Delete Recipient button. Select the recipients to be deleted and click on Delete button. Click on Job Schedule button to schedule background job. Set the job start date and time and click on Create Job button to start the background job. This background job monitors the system services to check whether the services are running or stopped. The tile displays the number of services which are stopped. After background job is started, there is an option to delete the job. The search option in Monitored Services, All Services, and Configurations tab allows to search a particular service from list of services. Refresh option allows to refresh the page. To delete a system, select the system, and in Monitored Services tab click on Delete System button. Thank you for watching the video. For any further queries please contact us.